Hey everyone, have you ever wondered who's been checking out our LinkedIn profile? Whether we're job hunting, networking, or building our personal brand, knowing who's viewed our profile can give us valuable insight. It might be a recruiter, a potential client, a hiring manager, or someone in our industry. Today, we will show you how to see who has viewed our profile on LinkedIn and explain what that information can mean for us. The purpose of checking who viewed our profile on LinkedIn is to better understand our visibility and professional reach. When someone visits our profile, it can signal interest in our skills, experience, or background. By accessing the 150 profile section, we can see the list of viewers' trends in profile visits, and sometimes even insights about how people found us. This feature helps us identify potential opportunities, follow up with recruiters, connect with professionals who have shown interest, and evaluate whether our profile is attracting the right audience. It's a useful tool for measuring engagement and strengthening our networking strategies. Now let's go through the steps to see who viewed our profile in the simplest way. Even if we are new, we can easily do this. First, open your browser, navigate to linkedin.com, then log in to our account. Once we are logged in, we will be taken to our home page. Click the mini button with our profile picture or logo. There will be a drop-down beside our name. Click this and go to View Profile. Under View Profile, we can see the Analytics section. Here, we will find our profile views, impressions, and appearances. Let's click Profile Views. If someone has viewed our profile, it will appear here for the past 90 days. We can also configure this if we are premium users. If we are not premium users, we can only see the first 5 people who viewed our profile. The benefit of having a premium account is that we can see an unlimited number of profile viewers. We can also edit our profile to gain more attention. Regularly checking this feature can help us stay proactive, connect with interested professionals, and improve our overall LinkedIn strategy. Remember, optimizing our profile with a strong headline, updated experience, and a professional photo can increase the chance of attracting the right viewers.